Hello guys, welcome back to Kanatu Studio. It's Cyrus, and you might be wondering, why can't I hear your voice and I can't in your other videos? Well, that's because I just got a new mic. I am posting a video soon that will be the unboxing of this mic. So I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. So let's get right in. So let's play some Slither.io. Okay. Should we turn on shortcuts? Yeah, we already have shortcuts on. So let's get right in. Okay. So of course we're on the Hero Squad because that's the best. Because it's named Hero. Ooh, big piece. Nom. Num num num. Num 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 num. Nyam! Nyam! Perfect. Num num num. Oh! What? That is so. Oh my god. One moment, guys. I need to shut the door because I might wake up my little brother Kieran. He's so cute. Okay, let's change our to the NG squad. Yeah, let's do this. Good spot. Num num. That was good. Hey, look, we're already on length 46. Wow, we're growing quick. Num 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 num. Num num num. After this, we're gonna play some Gario. And guys, this video will have comics if you look down. But let's see if I can get this guy. Nope. Can't. Too big. Nobody tried to encircle me. Guys, I wonder if we meet a YouTuber here, and then, like, that would be kind of a collab, except we can't hear his audio, and it's like a big IO play. It's like a big Slither.io play, and it's like AI plus 5,000 or something, or like plus 5 million. So let's keep this going. Num num. Nyam. Nyam. Nope. Wait, what? What? Okay, guys, we're gonna play some Gario. No, Gario. Okay, guys, you know I'm gonna play on experimental mode because that's the best. One moment. There we go. Now you guys probably can hear me better, but I'm gonna put that back on because it's not too good. So let's play experimental, and let's change my skin to I really want that spider, but let's stick to the fly. Let me check. Oh, I'm on level 6. Okay, let's jump right in. Let's get, oh my god. I just gotta get some pieces and go. Brown. I love the browns. Yum yum. Yum yum yum. I love the brownies. Yum yum. No, don't eat me, please. Don't eat me. Okay. I'm probably don't eat. Okay, guys. Let's keep going. Wow, yummy. Yum yums. This is a good area. There are tons of small dots. There are tons of small things. Oh, that guy's huge. Guys, Oh my god, okay, that guy's huge. Wait, he's not even on the... Uh-oh. Giant... Uh-oh, that's on the leaderboard, I think. Let me scan it. Nope, not on the leaderboard. Wait, how is that right? Dun, 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 dun. No. I'll help you pop him. That's a funny username. We're gonna do all types of gaming on this video, but I am really excited that you guys can now hear my voice. So now we're gonna go on to Roblox. Come on, let's get it right in. Oh, one moment, guys. One moment. Come on. There we go. Now, what should we play, guys? I've been playing a lot lately, but let's play some of this. Blah, blah, blah. This is supposed to mean Bobby something, but let me go. Google Translate. Google Translate. La la la. Okay. One moment, guys. We're going to figure out what this is. I already know, but I forgot. So let's copy and paste right there. That's Cindy, and it means Pop. Who names their game Pop? Sorry, guys, that's just super funny. Who names their game Bobby Lillarb? It's so funny. Okay, let's jump right in. It's super funny. Okay, guys, let's get right in. Okay. We want to get to that tower over there. That guy is incredibly close. That red guy right over there. Oh no. Go, 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 go. We gotta go. We gotta go. He is going to kill us on the spot if we don't get in that tower right away. Get out of the parachute, quick. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, there we go. Okay. Pow. Pow. Bang, got him. Come on. Come on. Let's see. There. Whoa. Whoa, watch out. Okay, guys, we gotta go. Come on. Look, 2 newbies. Come on. No offense. Where did that come from? Okay, guys. Come on. Get the parachute on and go. Go as fast as you can, like shark speed. Okay, we're getting that. Actually, that's a good place because, like, we can see the whole entire map. So watch out. Watch out. Raid Sniper Tower. Okay, who is this guy first? And second, who is this guy? Guys, I've never met that guy in my life on this. I've actually, if you see me once and I don't friend you, we'll probably never see each other again. Whoa. Why is so many? What is that? Are you firing at me? That is stupid. You know that I'm going to type in the chat that I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. And I'm shooting a video right now. I bet they're gonna be amazed I have a YouTube channel. They probably don't. If they do, it's probably very small like us. Come on. Whoa, wait, what? Okay, that will do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And have a great day. And also, please no copyright claim. Share or smile, they're contagious. Bye.